To make the heart peace sign ring, we're just going to take 18 gauge wire and we're going to bend that at an angle. I'm going to use the round pliers to bring this around to form the heart in the size you want. You can make it large, you can make it small. I'm going to make this one pretty big. So we have the basic heart. We'll take the long end and we're going to bend it at an angle straight out. And then I'm just going to take the short end and form a loop. We're just going to start it with the pliers. And I'm going to take this, bring it around, all the way around. A full turn like in the earrings we did previous. Adjust this. I want this to be centered. We could bring this to the front and bring it straight down. And from here, I'm just going to bring it around and I'm going to clip that end. So we're going to take this end, pinch it in. We want this to be fixed at the bottom center. So we have something that looks like that. I'm going to just loop this around here so it's a little discreet. We're going to bring this one around the ring cone. You can bring it all the way to the back, and if you want it adjustable, leave it open. If not, you can attach it at the back. So I'm just going to take this and make a tiny little loop so we don't have a sharp end. Give it a tug, pinch it, and just put that end in so it's not sharp. You can also put this on a ring mandrel and hammer it so it's a little harder. From here I'll get some 20 gauge wire. I'm just going to bend that to start the bend, pinch a little more, bring it up on either side of that middle line, push one wire to one side and one wire to the other, and really try to give it a little tug so it's firmly on that middle wire. You can also give it a little pinch. From here, we're going to bend that one down and bend that one down too. So now we're going to flip it over, bend that one in here, give it a clip, pinch it. If it's easier, push that up. You can even form that after you do the peace sign. Probably would be easier. Bring that one around, clip it, pinch it, check the position, and then we could put it back on the ring cone. And if you have a metal mandrel, you can actually hammer this on a metal mandrel. And there you have your ring with the peace heart sign. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.